Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Integration by parts is the secret to solving this exponential polynomial product quickly. Let us break down the steps to find the correct answer right now. Start by setting u equal to x squared in dv to e to the 2x. Applying the integration by parts formula gives us 1/2 x squared e to the 2x. Now apply integration by parts again to the remaining integral. With u equal to x and dv equal to e to the 2x, we find the integral is 1/2 x. Finally, substitute this back into our first expression. Distribute the negative sign carefully across the terms to reach the correct final form matching option A. You got this, team! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore the sign trap. Always use integration by parts and check your signs carefully.